Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Happy Tuesday evening. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. Let's take a look at those next weather events heading our way. For Wednesday, going to be very similar to our Tuesday with just a few storms out there, most of us staying dry and feeling just slightly less humid than we were over the weekend, just enough to kind of keep our heat index values very close, if not equivalent to those air temperatures outside. That changes by Thursday and Friday as temperatures are going to feel like they're in the lower to middle 90s, and so that higher humidity and combining with the heat means the return of those more afternoon and evening kind of scattered storms becoming more widespread as we head into the upcoming weekend, and a few of which could be on the strong side. So for the next 12 hours heading throughout this evening, temperatures falling from the 80s into the 70s down to 75 by 9 p.m. as our skies become partly cloudy and seeing some pretty patchy dense fog forming as we start our Wednesday morning. So something to keep in mind. May want to allow some extra time heading off to work on our Wednesday. So for those forecast lows, many of us waking up to even some lower 60s, some more comfortable readings here from Coleman over to Gadsden, Hamilton, Jasper, even Fayette going to be less than 65 degrees, but 65 and warmer seems to be the general consensus here for points south and east of Interstate 20. So here's a look at the visibility for at least going into the overnight and early on our Wednesday morning. We'll start to see the visibility become reduced as we go into around, say, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. on our Wednesday. Otherwise, most of us are going to be in good shape. So the humidity is definitely making a big and ugly return by the end of the week. Look at those dangerous humidity values with dew points exceeding 75 degrees by the upcoming weekend. That does boost our rain chances up to as high as 60% Friday, 80% Saturday, and continuing to stay high as we go into Sunday, Monday, and even Tuesday of next week. It does not appear that this unsettled pattern is going away anytime soon. At least we're not weather aware any time, I should say, over the next 7 days. That could change if we see confidence increase for some stronger storms, more organized storms for the weekend. But look at those temperatures. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid for the next week.